I mean, just the lighting stuff, what. Yo, what's up, family? It's the boy Fusi Max in the building. You already know what it is. We are rocking. You're probably watching this video on Saturday, Mara. It's currently Friday, you feel me? So, we're closing off the day, right? Closing up the day with Bafo, aka Menlo, Max. Closing the week with Ubafo, Menlo Max in the building. Major leagues in the building. They already know what's up, man. You know. So we send out a signal. Let me see if I can show you all this, right? I hope the major leagues don't hit me a copyright in the building. Let me show you all what's up, man. We sent out a signal, right? Yeah. We sent out a signal, ladies and gentlemen. We sent out a signal. This was what? This was 15:46, yeah. Currently now it's what? It's 16:18. So 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes later, we're winning. Hey Prince, are you in, Waf? Did you eat?
Yeah, you already eat.
My brother. Wait, it's focusing. Come back. Focus, man. Away. You ate in the building, ne?
Something, yeah.
Something. Waffle. Everybody must go to the comment section. Comment Waffle. We're in the building. You already know what it is. Waffle, let me see what's up. This is the signal. This thing. Let me just adjust this thing so you can focus, Waffle. It's not focusing. Away. It's focused. It's focused in the building. We ate in the building. It was a sniper. Bro. I showed the profits. What's up? Come on now. Yo, this guy. You're closing the week like this.
We don't play.
You're closing the week too much, bro.
We don't.
It's doing too much. I just opened a couple trades, and I left it. Let's see what's up. You can see where we entered.
You know.
What do you mean? We're looking healthy. We're looking healthy, bro. We're looking healthy. Know what I'm saying? Yebo. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a bit, fam. Alright, peace out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the trading room. You feel me, at Supreme HQ, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so this video, like you saw the title of the video, I'm gonna be showing you how to open a trading account with TRADE245. So you only need the following things, right? You only need a phone. Obviously, you got a phone if you're looking at me right now. You need an email address, right? You can do this on laptop or PC. I'm gonna demonstrate using the PC, but obviously the steps are going to be the same even if you own a smartphone or whatever you get. So let me just quickly open my my Safari, you know what I'm saying, so we can get started. I'm just gonna put myself there, right? You're gonna go to, I think you can directly go here. So this is the home page, right? You're gonna scroll down. When you scroll down, there's a quick and easy sign up process, right? As quick as and easy as we can make it. Whatever. That's where you're gonna go, right? So we're gonna go to your name. You're gonna fill up your name. Obviously, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna open like an account without my real details in there. Over 18 and what, you can confirm these things. If you're not older than 18, I think you can just sign up under, if you have an older brother, older sister, maybe, you can finesse you can ask your moms or whatever or your pops, depending on who's available to, to sign this up for you. So, you can trade through that person's credentials with their permission, of course. And then now you're going to proceed to the next step. Let's see what's up, man. Okay. So this is what I think happened, right? Funny enough. So this niggas, after you do the whole registration process, you're gonna go down in here to, okay, let's go to the home page so I can show you what's going on. You're gonna go fill in your name, surname, email address, password, confirm the password. If you're in South Africa, that's what you're gonna pick, and then you're gonna confirm this and proceed. So when you proceed, it's not gonna show you anything. It's just gonna basically refresh this page, right? But if you go to your email address, which I have open here, then I see there's this email that they sent, right? Yo, Supreme Traders, what you need to, validate your email. So unless you go and check your emails, you won't see this email that they're gonna send to you. So you need to, you need to immediately go and check your emails, and then you should find this email, right? So confirm email should take me back to the website now, where I can proceed. I can barely see what they're saying now. Let's see what's up. So now we registered. You feel me? We registered on TRADE245. It's gonna take you here, which is basically, I think this is like a dashboard or something. So this is what you need to do now. You need to confirm to open a live account with TRADE245. You need to upload your personal details and what. So, and also they need your ID, right? They need a picture of your ID and utility bill or bank statement, right? So when you're going to upload, let's do the first part first, and then we're gonna do this part after. You're gonna go to complete account opening, personal details. You're gonna, if you're a Mr., you're a Mrs., type of identification, national ID. You're gonna put your ID number there. You're gonna select your nationality, you're South African, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna go to and choose your nationality there. Date of birth, you're gonna put your date of birth there. You're gonna put your telephone number, address, you know what I'm saying? Your city, postcode, which is there on the proof of residence or your bank statement. All these things are there, and yeah. Then you're gonna go to next, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna quickly fill this up, and then we'll go to the next page, right? Alright, so this is the next page. What do they want here? They're asking for financial information, and me now personally, I'll tell you, like, I'll give you guys a little secret, Mari. I don't think this broker is really gonna ask you how much you make and stuff, but yeah, let's check it out. Just be like, self-employed, industry, just pick whatever, you know what I'm saying? Whatever industry you're in, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to find my industry. Where's YouTube here? Alright, let's just put it like this. Financial services, source of funds. Guys, don't jump isa where you get your funds from. Just be like savings or something like that. I don't want, what I hate? I hate it when brokers call me or whatever, because of, like, at first I used to be really accurate with this stuff. Then I realized I'd get more calls from the brokers. So just, what I'm saying, downplay your stuff, you feel me? Downplay your stuff. Savings and investments. Let's just say Capitec, the People's Bank. What you mean, bro? South Africa. Yeah, I mean SA. Account number. Then you're gonna have to put an account number there. I don't even know what the fuck's going on, man. I'm not putting my account number for sure. Let me see what I can do. No, I'm only a citizen in SA. I read and accept all these things. Let me quickly find a bank account and put it there, and then let's go to the next step. Alright, so when you're done with that, that's basically the last step that you're gonna do. The other page you just went to. So yeah, that's the last step. So now you're gonna have a wallet officially, because you just registered. You know what I'm saying? You just registered with them. Someone keeps texting me and I'm filming. They gotta relax, rest. Alright, so what you're gonna do now, let's see, you're gonna go to my profile, and then we wanna verify stuff. Where do I verify the? I'm looking for the upload documents. That's where you wanna go, man. And then when you go to upload documents under my profile, there's proof of ID and proof of residence, right? You're gonna go to ID, and then you're gonna come here, select national ID. So you're gonna take a picture and upload the front, and you're gonna upload the back. Then you're gonna go to proof of residence. You're gonna go to bank statements. Bank statement, you're just gonna take a picture or upload the PDF, whatever. But I think it's a picture. You need to take a picture of that and upload it. And then basically you're gonna be done with the verification process, and they're really quick. Like they quick. You know what I'm saying? So gonna go back to dashboard. What's left? How to open an account, right? You're gonna go to open account here. If you wanna trade the nice 100s and stuff, it has to be an MT4 account. You know what I'm saying? It has to be an MT4 account. I prefer to trade using South African rands, which is the ZAR. You know what I'm saying? Because, hey man, it is what it is. If you know, you know. Let's just put it like that. And I would advise y'all to put a ZAR account also if you're in SA. Then just select the bonus 100%. The bonus 100, meaning when you fund, you also get that 100% bonus and stuff like that. I don't really know the ins and outs of how this bonus or whatever, but I know you can withdraw your money whenever you want. I just don't think you can withdraw the bonus. Obviously, you can't, So yeah, bonus 100, and then enter a profile password. You're gonna enter a profile password there, and then submit. Now your trading account, you should have a. See now, these are the details for my new trading account now, which is a live account. You feel me? Close. So now that we open a real account there, you can, if you want to open a demo account to practice with them, you're gonna go to MT4, the same thing. Then you're gonna go to demo. You feel me? Demo. I'm not advised. Don't go for 100,000 or whatever. Input other amount there, right? And then this is a tip from me to you, right? Just put 2,000 rands there or something. You don't really need no, man. Input other amount. We said we want 2K. So you can start practicing there. Password again. I need to put my predefined. This is a Saturday, ladies and gentlemen. You feel me? I'm supposed to be out in, time of my life or whatever, but you know what I'm saying? I you guys are showing me love, so I'm gonna give you guys what you want. You guys want a tutorial on how to register this TRADE245 thing, so of course I had to come for the save. You feel me? So now these are trading account details. You're just gonna go to MT4. I hope you guys know how to log into a trading account. I think the video is somewhere in my list of videos if you don't know how to do that. But yeah, the demo account is open now. And then if you see there, we have two accounts. We have the real account and then we have the demo. The demo is 2,000 ZAR. The real account doesn't have any funds yet. So if you want to deposit now, you're going to come to deposit, all right? You want to deposit 3K, 30K, 60K, whatever you want. You're going to go to other amount, select what you want to deposit. Let's just say, man, we want to deposit 5K. For me, that's the optimal for me to do my things proper. Then you're just gonna select the type of card you use on Neteller, Skrill, or whatever, and then you're good to go, my G. You're good to go. And then the funds are gonna go to your wallet. And then once the funds are in your wallet, you're gonna go to your wallet, and then you're gonna transfer the funds from. You see here when it says internal account transfers, you're gonna transfer from my wallet to my trading account. Then you're gonna select how much you want to transfer from your wallet to your trading account. You feel me? So yeah, fam, it's really not that complicated. Once you get a tutorial just like this tutorial and you follow through with it, and you take your time to understand everything along the way or whatever. And you guys are really fortunate to have someone like me to make the content to show you step-by-step guide. Some of us, we just had to wing it and fingers crossed and just hope for the best with this kind of stuff. So yeah, it's your boy once again, Vusi Mags in the building. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. Like the video, found it helpful. Comment, click the bell notification icon, man, so you don't miss us on any future drops, and subscribe. Right, from me to you, I'm out, man. Peace out, love.